Blend passion fruit, and you'll want to do it all the time. In a blender, I'll start by adding passion fruit pulp. Next, 400 grams of sour cream. I'll also add powdered milk. The amount is up to you. Here I used about 5 tablespoons. 395 grams of condensed milk. We just have to cover it and let it all mix really well. After beating it, we just remove it and transfer it to a platter. Look at this texture, guys. It looks a lot like mousse. Once that's done, we just have to put it in the freezer and wait until it hardens. If you prefer, just put it in the fridge. Look, guys, how amazing this passion fruit ice cream is. If you leave it in the fridge, it will look like mousse. It's up to you. Eat it frozen or let it harden. And look how delicious, guys. Super quick, easy, and delicious. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you all enjoyed. This was another recipe from Boba M. da Cozinha. Big hug. See you next time, and it was worth it.